Good morning. Or should I say afternoon? Kaden, are you picking your nose? Bruh. No, it's the afternoon. We slept in till like
12.
No, it was like 11. So anyway, we didn't clean up after tea either, so we've cleared off the table, put stuff in the dishwasher, and we've got stuff over there to clean that up. But I'm just uploading the vlog now. Oh my god, I just rolled everywhere.
That time.
Today we're gonna try and go to the beach, although Jesse went outside. Oh god. Bruh! Jesse went outside and said it was a little bit cold.
That's not cold, it's nice.
So I was getting a bit hungry, so I'm just making some eggs. Because the eggs need to be used. But I've put in the egg, some ham and cheese, and I'm going to add some salt and pepper as well. It's going to be yummy. Hey, you hungry? Want some egg? Don't touch, hot, I'll get it for you. Hot. Huh? Yummy. So yeah, made some eggs, so yummy. I made heaps, so yeah, I'm probably going to share with the fam. You get like a spoon or something to scoop it, honey. Got ourselves a natto. Do you want some more? Ollie? Don't burn me. You want more? Num num. He's Lego and built some new characters. What are the names?
The destroyer and the bomb.
Sweet. Are you playing with your Legos?
This one's the destroyer, this one is the bomb.
Sweet. Look, Dad got me a game. Bejeweled. Do you want to help me play it?
Huh?
You want to help me play it? Alright, we gotta press start. Ooh, it's loading. Play.
I'm just gonna put...
Classic.
Oh, I like classic. I want it to be old school.
Old school?
Yeah.
Bruh, you're like not old school, you're like new school. Can you turn the TV around this way a bit, Bob? Thank you, honey.
You like my new characters I made?
Yeah, they're really cool. Alright, we gotta find, like, see this orange one? Click it, and then makes it go like that. Alright.
And he put it on, like...
Can you make it right? I'm running to grab something.
So we got ready. We're gonna attempt to go to the beach.
I don't even have a shirt on.
Yeah, they didn't want to wear shirts, so I have to slather them in sunscreen. Should be fun. But yeah, we're gonna go. We've got boogie board, we've got sandcastle building stuff, towels.
Wait, who's
GoPro.
on the boogie board?
Whoever wants to. But yeah, we're gonna go have some fun. we're done at the beach. Jesse got some GoPro footage, so we'll look at that when we get home and probably...
And we'll insert it in.
Yeah, insert it. But yeah, it was heaps of fun. We got a bunch of shells, so I think we might make some necklaces or something. Should be good. Aiden's in the shower, getting all the sand off himself. Come here, let me see your ear.
I will wash you.
He's got sand in his ear.
What?
You weirdo.
I don't.
You do, still there's some there. And then Jax is in the bath and he's giving his Dusty a wash. You giving Dusty a wash, honey? Yeah, so just getting them all washed. They're at the bath.
And I smell good.
You smell pretty good.
Hey, but your armpits smell pretty bad.
Caden. Ollie, do you look cute? Oh, you look so cute, so fresh.
Your armpit smells pretty bad.
Wow.
That's what your son said to you.
Yeah, he made me sniff his armpits and he sniffed mine. Yeah, so the boys are all fresh. So I'm gonna cook tea, so I'm making, that's hot sauce, honey.
Some hot sauce?
No. I'm making bacon wrapped marinated chicken breast and potato bake. So get out the fridge please so I can make it. Thank you, honey.
I'm hungry.
I know, I'm making tea now, baby. So let's make it. What are you doing? That's gross. That's for pancakes, not for drinking. Thank you. I'm gonna make tea. No. This is what he's trying to drink. It's shut, so I might let him have it. What are you doing?
Hey, say Jackson on the verse.
See ya. So I made some potato bake and marinated bacon wrapped chicken breasts. They're pretty yummy. I did a video recipe on them, so I'll upload that whenever I edit it, but yeah.
And Jackson loaded his with maple syrup.
Yeah. What's the matter, baby? Yeah, your tea. Do big eyes.
He's my puppet.
Ollie.
Do
Big eyes. Do little eyes.
Do tired eyes.
Do big eyes.
Do happy eyes. Do sad eyes.
Aww.
Do kiss eyes.
Do kiss eyes again.
Do kissy eyes.
Ooh,
He's like-
kissy.
He's like, no.
Do cheeky eyes like this.
He's got a mouthful. He's trying to get it to go to the side.
Finish your food first, buddy. That's okay.
This is mine.
Dance, mama. 5 in the rain. Jackson went to sleep, as you've seen before. But
It's not raining anymore.
we're gonna go get an ice cream from Macca's. Guess he just tried to prank me. You little cunt.
Oh, thank you. Wait.
You scared me.
Is that all?
Yeah. So, Jackson went to bed a while ago. I was playing Plants vs Zombies with Caden for a little bit, but I didn't like it. Because I like the classic one and it was the
Garden Warfare.
Garden Warfare one and I didn't really like it. But anyway, he's gone to bed now. Why is the air conditioner on? Back door's wide open.
Mine's door wide open, the air conditioner's on.
Anyway, I think I might have a coffee and then start editing because I did a little recipe video. And
You'll make me a coffee. Just, throwing it out there.
I'm trying to decide if I want to have the vlog channel and then a personal channel to put other videos because I don't know if it gets confusing for people when I upload random videos sometimes. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here. So I'll see you for tomorrow's vlog, guys. Bye.
Bye.